Hello and welcome back to Gapeys Garden. You may have noticed I've taken a little YouTube break. It's really challenging to get videos done this time of year. I'm going back to the office, no more working from home anymore, so finding time to do videos is a real challenge, especially this time of year when it gets dark almost as soon as I get home. So I've got a little bit of time here before the holidays, so I thought I would pop on and give you a little update on how things are going. We had a little bit of a scare last week over at the house. We had some really bad flooding here in Western Washington. If you watch the news, you may have heard about it, but we had record levels of rainfall and flooding all over Western Washington. Luckily, it didn't get as bad as they were forecasting here where we live. It was originally forecasted to get 5 feet above the record, which is, I just can't imagine. But we were preparing for the worst. If that had come true, our beehives would have been underwater, our chicken coop would have been flooded, it may have reached inside the house. Our house is elevated about 4 feet, so it may have been safe from the flood, I'm not really sure, but we took some precautions and did move the beehives onto the deck and the porch just to keep them away from any floodwaters. We just barely got under the record flooding in this area. The floodwaters got to about within 60 yards of our back fence, so we got really lucky with this flood. There's more flooding happening right now, but not nearly as bad as it was last week. They actually did send out an evacuation notice to our area. We decided to stay since our house is elevated a lot higher than some of the other houses in the area, but we do have neighbors that evacuated. And a lot of the people that live just west of us did have flooding get into their houses. Some people lost some livestock and beehives. So I wanted to share that we're safe and everything is doing okay here. The neighbors are still recovering and cleaning up from the flood. During the worst of the flooding, which was last Thursday, all of the roads around us were closed, so we couldn't really leave if we wanted to. Luckily, that only lasted for about a day, and the next day, some of the roads started to open. So almost all the roads are now open. There's still a few closed here and there, but we are able to get out, do grocery shopping, get to work, all that stuff. And we're not expected to see any major flooding like that, at least in the near future. I hope you enjoy this aerial footage that we caught with our drone. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, oh.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.